Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 5.4 and today I'll show you how we can activate Hey Google. So at the first you have to go for the Google Assistant. You can find it in the Google app. Click on the More, tap on the Settings, move to the Voice and tap on the Voice Match. Right now tap on the switcher, click Next, then tap right here, and as you can see our Hey Google is ready, but in my case it is working immediately because I just used this assistant a lot of times with this Gmail account. But in your case you will get circle like that, and you have to say 2 times OK Google and 2 times Hey Google. OK Google, OK Google, Hey Google, and the last time Hey Google. Click Next. As you can see, it's finished right now, so when you say Hey Google or OK Google, our Google Assistant will work. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.